Let's discuss some examples. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Here two persons, Noori and Sonu. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu, and 10 years later, after 10 years, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Okay? How old are Noori and Sonu? Okay? Here we have to find Noori's and Sonu's current age. Okay? So Noori present age. Noori's present age. Present age of Noori. Let X years and present age of Sonu. Let Y years. Okay? Noori present age X years, Sonu present age Y years. Okay? 5 years ago. 5 years ago means before 5 years. Okay? Before 5 years. Noori was before 5 years. X minus 5. Noori and Sonu before 5 years. Y minus 5. Okay? Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Okay? Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Okay? X minus 5 equal to 3 times of. This is the Noori's age at before 5 years. Okay? Noori was thrice old as Sonu. Okay? 5 years ago. So X minus 5 equal to 3Y minus 15. Okay? X minus plus 3y comes to this side, minus 3y minus 15 minus 5 comes to this side, plus 5. Okay? The equation becomes x minus 3y equal to minus 10. Okay? This is our equation 1. Next, 10 years later, after 10 years, Noori present is x and Sonu present is y. Okay? 10 years later, it means after 10 years. After 10 years, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Okay? After 10 years, x plus 10, y plus 10. Okay? Noori as old as, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Okay? Twice. Okay? Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. X plus 10 equal to 2 into y plus 10. X plus 10 equal to 2y plus 20. X minus 2y equal to 20 minus 10, which is equal to x minus 2y equal to 10. Here we have two linear equations. X minus 3y equal to x minus 3y equal to minus 10 and x minus 2y equal to 10. Okay? Solve these two equations by using elimination method. Okay? Subtract these two equations. Minus become plus, minus become plus. Okay? X get cancelled. Minus 2y plus 3y. Y equal to plus 10 plus 10, 20. Y equal to 20. Y is nothing but Sonu's current age. Okay? Sonu's present age. Y equal to 20. What is the value of x? X value substitute in the equation 1. Equation 1, x minus 3y equal to minus 10. We know y value 20, x minus 3 2s, 3 20s, 60 equal to minus 10. X equal to minus 10, minus 60 comes to this side, plus 60. X value 60 minus 10, 50. Okay, here x value 50 and y value 20. Here x is nothing but Noori's current age. Okay, Noori is 50 and Sonu's is 20. Okay, next example, the sum of the digits of 2 digits number is 9. Here given 2 digit number 9. Also 9 times of this number, 9 times of this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Find the number. Here we have to find the number. Here given 10 digit number. We know 10 digits numbers, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Okay, these are the 2 digits number. Okay, 2 digits numbers, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Okay, here see 12 can be right unit place 1, tens place 1. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 12. No, 1 plus 2 is 3. 12 can be written as 2 plus 10 into 1. Okay, unit digit 2, tens place digit 1. 10 into 1, 10 plus 2 which is equal to 12. Okay, in same way sum of the digits of 2 digits number, 2 digit number in the form of 10x plus y. Okay, here y is unit place digit. Okay, here x is tens place digit. Is it clear? See 12, here y equal to 2, 1 equal to x. Is it okay? See this problem, the sum of the digits of 2 digits number, sum of the digits. Digits means here 12. See this 12, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are digits. Here 12 is number. Okay, 1 and 2 are digits. Sum of the digits means 1 plus 2. Here x and y are digits. 10x plus y is number. Okay, so here given sum of the digits means x plus y. X plus y equal to 9. Sum of the 2 digits number is 9. Given sum of the 2 digits number, sum of the digits x plus y equal to 9. Also 9 times this number, 9 times of this number means 9 times of number means 10x plus y. 10x plus y which is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing of the digits. Okay, twice the reversing of digits means 10y plus x. Okay, reversing the digits 10x plus y, reversing the digits 10y plus x, 10y plus x. 9 times of this number, 9 times of this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Twice 2 into 10y plus x. Okay, is it clear? Next 9 into 10, 90x plus 9y equal to 2 into 10, 20y, 2 into x, 2x. Okay, 90x minus plus 2x comes to this side, minus 2x, 20y, 9y comes to this side, minus 9y, which is equal to 11y. This is 88x. Okay, so 88x minus 11y equal to 0. Here 11 is common. 8x minus y equal to 0. 8x minus y equal to 0 by 11, 0. Okay, this is our equation 2. Here we have two equations. X plus y equal to 9, x plus y equal to 9 and 8x minus y equal to 0. 8x minus y equal to 0. Solve these two equations by using elimination method. Okay, here add two equations, adding y get cancelled, x 8x 9x equal to 9. Here x equal to 9 by 9 which is equal to 1. Here we get x value 1. Okay, x value substitute in the equation 1. X plus y equal to 9. 1 plus y equal to 9. Y equal to 9 minus 1 which is equal to 8. Here x value 1, y value 8. Okay, we have to find the number 2-digit number in the form of 10x plus y. 10x plus y, 2-digit number in the form of 10x plus y. Okay, here x value 1, y value 8. The number is 10 into 1, 10 plus 8 which is equal to 18. 18 is the our 2-digit number. Okay, is it clear? Have a look.